Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video, and today is a good one. We are outside. This is the Halen car meet out in, I don't even know, oh, Auburn Hills. We out on Auburn Hills. The meet is actually looking pretty decent. We will hopefully see some decent cars out here. This is probably one of the bigger meets or more structured meets by one of the companies out here, you know, Big Three, Chrysler, Type B. So this actually should be a good one, good turnout. But let's take a look at all the cars, or some of the cars that's here so far. So let's get a quick montage of some of the stuff that's already here. Setup. And it looks good.
It does look good. I look professional now.
Bro, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Jeff got a setup. I like that.
Team E.
Hey, oh, this thing is so cool. So Nick, pulling up. He's not CA approved?
Oh yeah, you know. Maserati is from, you know, Stellantis.
No,
you know.
Yes.
So, you know, I don't got the HELLCAT Durango right now, so I have to bring out this.
Bro, there
little
was
thing.
one for sale nearby. You didn't pick it up?
State Farm have yet to give me my money.
Bro, State Farm still holding you?
Stay fine, hurry up, bro.
No way, not even a call?
Not even
They give you an agent? They assign you an agent?
Yeah, but
not
they ain't
Jake's.
doing nothing. So
Gee.
I'll get another HELLCAT if I want to, another Durango if I want to. My dealership got one right now for a sticker, so.
You want me to call Jake?
Yeah, call Jake right now. How long y'all been out here?
I just got here.
Yeah.
Just pulled up.
I was like, man, I was going in circles for a minute. Like, where the hell is this?
Bro, I couldn't find it either, bro. I said, let me find some cars.
Yeah.
I found like 3 cars and I just followed them.
I feel you.
Yeah. This wasn't the best directions.
Yeah,
No, bro.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah,
They
lot
have the
28.
maps online. I just looked it up online.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they had like the
I
layout.
circle with them. I'm about to say I might park over here with them anyway.
For sure,
Alright.
for sure.
This is what I'm bringing to the channel. Hopefully. I love this. I want one of these so bad. This thing is mad, bro. This is something you will see in Fast and Furious. No cap. This is something that one of them will be driving. This thing is mean. Golly. Look at the back end. Back shot. I like that.
Control saying this is something he was seeing in Fast X yesterday.
Bro,
Low-key has so much potential too.
dude, I'm trying to tell you, this would be one of the cars. For sure. Now, which character will we drive it? I don't know. He got the NOS in the middle. Type B. That would be the NOS bottle. No cap. Buttons, bro. This is clean. Bro, this color is like a heritage color, bro. This thing is insane, bro. Look at this color. The gold stripes. Bro. This thing is so clean. This is a bad color, bro. Whoever respect this, did a great job. Great job on this spec, no fake. If Iron Man was to drive a Viper, this is what it would be like. No fake. Things for certain, 2 things for sure. Even though I live in Michigan, and we are like one of the ones for all of these mopar cars, I've never seen so many Viper. I think it's like another Viper over there, one back there. Vipers all over the place. I've never seen so many Vipers. That's an ACR. I like those. All 3 different generations of Viper, bro. This color is insane, dude. No fake. But this right here, the ACR, dude. This is ACR. Oh, that's a GT. That's why. That's a GT. This ACR, bro. Oh my goodness. Insane. Ready for the track. I want to go fast. Tell the day and nights. Deep edged. Tow hook. I think these are bronze wheels, but crazy, bro. This thing sits up high in the mud, bro. Look how high this is. I have to jump in here every day. This is crazy. Look at this. It's small in here, though. Goodness gracious. Roll cages everywhere.
I ain't never even seen one.
Me either. Bro, look how big these wheels are. No fake. This is a big car, bro. Bro. Called a scrambler. Bro, 392. I've never seen one of these before. Tow hooks in the front, massive tires. Welcome to 2020, 30,000, bro. That's what life is like. The electric Challenger, bro. That is an electric car, bro. Lit, bro. This had crashed the internet when it first came out, bro. This thing was everywhere. I forgot the name of it though. I gotta think of the name of it for nothing. But this thing is crazy. Four-door, I mean not four-door, four-seater. Four-seater, bro. I cannot think of the name of this for nothing. Why they ain't got no sign on it? Bro, this thing is mad. 4 seats. How you like that? That's insane, bro.
Yeah, that was
SRT on the steering wheel. This thing is crazy. SRT. New emblem. Bro. This thing is freaking mad, bro. Now everybody doesn't like the fact that we are moving into the electric age, but I don't know, man. We came from here, now we're headed there. I don't know. I'm not mad at it at all. I like it. Some people don't, but I do. It got that weird sound to it too, though. Like it's crazy. So, bro, this thing is weird too. If Dom Toretto didn't drive this, I don't know what. Oh, carbon everywhere. Look at that, carbon everywhere. Who drove this? Dom Toretto. Oh my goodness. SRT, rim brakes, bro. Interior, roll cage. Bro, look at this. So what they did was they took the old body and they modernized it and made it into this. So this was both of the projects. This one and this one were both 2 projects, and I think they killed it, honestly. I think it's crazy, bro. Man. But let's get some B-roll of both of these, cause
there's Ralph.
how can you not? See that black guy? Into a new era, bro.
Huh?
We're moving into the new era.
Oh yeah, man.
Electrified.
People need to get used to it, and it is what it is, man.
You get one?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's my next vehicle. That's guaranteed. This right here is my
This
next.
thing is bad.
My next Dodge purchase is this one right here, guaranteed. Moving across to electric. I don't have no problems with electric vehicles. Because look, think about it like this. If this was the newest design of a Charger or a Challenger or whatever, with a motor, with a HELLCAT motor, an actual motor, everybody be going crazy.
Okay. Yeah.
Look at it. It's not ugly.
It's not ugly.
It's shaped crazy. It looked good. It looked powerful. Everything like that. It's just people going against the electric part of it.
Respectfully.
It's quick.
It's gonna be quick. That's this model. This is like the 3rd trim level, whatever, the Banshee model or whatever. And it's gonna be like it's gonna be like a Hellcat speed. So it is what it is. It's gonna be electric, all-wheel drive, four wheels take off from a battery. And they said they still gonna have like you can hit buttons to do a donut, hit buttons to do drag pack, and all these other types of situations.
Drift mode.
Yeah, drift mode, all types of situations.
That's crazy.
So why not get it? It's probably what, 90,000. My HELLCAT Durango is 104, so I'm getting this shit. It's crazy.
Just like that. To the channel.
I'll hopefully be the first one in Michigan with this.
I'm trying to figure out the name of this thing.
I put 2,000 miles on the first day.
Yeah.
First day.
2,000. I'm going every block, every corner,
about to
every
say
suburb.
Keep on about everybody with this.
And I'm going to the charging stations 10 times in one day.
Oh, yeah, you gotta charge this, right?
Yeah.
Where you charging it? Is it on the thing on the side?
Right. Who knows? They're going to tell you where. It might be in the back somewhere. It might be. Right. I don't see no. Do you see an outlet?
I ain't see one. That's why I said, oh, yeah.
Right. Where is the outlet?
I ain't see no outlet. That might be a front, though, right?
This is stage 2.
Yeah. Right? No? This thing is mad. This thing looks so good at night, bro. Rollers at night.
That whole thing like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, all of that.
That whole light bar?
Bro, at night rollers?
Bro, this
Yeah, what are they charging that?
I would get one of these.
This guy's like carbon fiber.
I tell you one thing, it's a lot more supercars that showed up than I thought. I thought it would be mopar heaven 2.0.
In front of you.
Bro, mopars everywhere.
You spoke too soon. You spoke too soon.
This Lotus is insane, bro. Oh, I seen like 2. Yeah, this thing is crazy. I don't know how much they go for though.
Smira 1. What is that?
You got me. First edition. I don't know. This thing is French steering wheel. It's an E. It's an E, yeah. Bro, it's cars everywhere. It's the strikers for me. Bro, you have never seen this many mopars in one place, other than probably Texas. Damn, y'all about to kill somebody? Y'all mobbed up, ain't y'all? Y'all mobbing. Y'all mobbing. What you doing, sir? Y'all alright? Damn, this look good.
It does look good.
Wow.
It does look good. You know,
I need some new merch.
buy some merch, buy some merch. Come
I
on.
need some new merch. My shirt. Look at Roslyn. Us!
Not a single spot to park.
That might be valid.
Yeah, you might be right on that one.
Yeah, this parking lot was already small to begin with.
Better leave right now.
Yeah, ain't no parking spots.
I'm
Unless you
parking
make
right
one.
here, nigga. Watch.
Respect. She moving so fast.
XC20 so clean.
Bro, his cars everywhere. Locked in, bro. People still coming in. Ain't no room. They on the streets. Line right there. Okay, I see how you feel. Bro, so many people. No fake. Bro, this thing is crazy. 675 LT. Goodness gracious, this thing is mad. This color's beautiful too. I love these seats. These seats is crazy. Hurricane Purple Monte. I got one of these in on my desk. Whoa, this. Carbon fiber everywhere. On the inside, reinforced carbon. Glass wing, whole shebang. Not bad.
Sorry for cussing. Nice car, man.
This thing's so clean, bro. Ferrari 488. My God. Woo. I got one of these by my desk. This thing is mad. Carbon front end. Bro. This thing looks so good. Oh my goodness. So good. The black wheels, bro. If you had the black top, I love the ones with the black top. But if you had the black wheels, I mean, you got the black wheels and it makes it look really good. But if you had the black top, night and day, bro. It looks good though. No complaints. The meet turned out really good. A lot of people showed up, seeing some of the futuristic cars to come. Good turnout. First one of the big car meets of the year here in Michigan. Yeah, man, I can't complain, bro. Good turnout. It warmed up. That's good. That's always good because I'm so tired of cold weather. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm ready to leave here. I need to go somewhere where it's hot all year round because this right here, this is getting too ghetto. Too ghetto for me, man. I need to be able to go outside and be around cars all year round, get content for y'all, bring sweet stuff to the channel. You know what I mean? So, yeah.